Hello, my name is Tatiana Morgan. I will be doing a poem over Chapter 7, Language. There are many ways to talk about it. We all have a variety of ways we speak about it. We have cultures that have taught us many different languages and the styles in which we're able to use those languages. There are dialects and a variety of ways on how we can use words. There are many different formats that make it all unique in their own way. The speech is different. And some of us, like myself, have to take classes to better speak my own language. Me, being African American, I use the African American vernacular English or African American English. Just observe how President Obama speaks. He's very intelligent, but still go back to his own language roots. You know, you can speak without talking. American Sign Language is what they call it. Talking with your hands, that's an amazing task. Some learn language from birth. Just imagine not using your voice to speak. There are some kids that know several languages from birth. There are kids that have to interpret for their parent. A kid that just started school speaking two languages, whoa, that's quite an impressive task. They have even created a name for it. It's called Spanglish for some. You can't beat it. They're learning to speak in a variety of ways. Language. It's such an amazing task, and we all learn to speak it in a variety of ways. So very cool. I think so. I love language.